Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to use Restream.io. I made a video in this same channel telling us how Restream.io works on YouTube. I shared my personal experience on how it has helped me for my first channel. I also shared with us about one of my students that have gotten over 3,000 watch hours just by using Restream.io, and I also told us about the things to avoid when using Restream.io so that YouTube will not give you any issue. Guess what I saw in the comment section? Some people were asking me how they can use this Restream.io, and I said, wow, let me take another time to make a fresh video explaining a step-by-step process on how to use Restream.io. It's very simple, it's very easy. As long as you have your data, you have charged your battery, and you have your phone, you can do this without any stress. But before we go into this process, let me explain what Restream.io is. Restream.io is a website that allows you to stream on all your social media platforms. You can stream on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and lots more. You can multi-stream. Just know that if you want to multi-stream, you must have enough data. But even on YouTube, you can just go live without showing your face. That's the advantage. Restream.io gives you the opportunity to make your videos. After making your videos, all you need to do, you have, like I have seated now with my tripod set and my camera on. I make a good video, so I'm already recording just now. So if whatever your need is, make a video. Just make sure that the video is not more than 2 minutes. And some people were asking me, is it only video that you can use? Yes, it's video that you can use. You will not use pictures, you will not use anything, you will just use your videos. Research has also shown that 2 minutes videos at most work more on Restream than longer videos. Yes, so don't make a very long video, and don't also make horizontal videos. Make vertical video just the way I'm showing my hand, because this is what works. This is what has been proven to work. So another thing I will also advise is that do not carry somebody's video. Try to make your own video. I've already explained some of these guidelines in that video that I explained about Restream, monetize. Check it on my channel, you will see it, so that you will be conversant with the rules. Don't make the mistake. But to tell you how Restream.io works, again, I want to say that Restream.io is a website. This is a website that allows you to stream your videos. Yes. So all you need to do is to make your videos. Then you use your phone. You go to your Chrome browser. Don't worry, after explaining, I will still take you through the process step by step. Okay? Yes. So you go to your Chrome browser and you will type Restream.io. Once you have typed, you already have your video related to your niche. Okay, video related to your niche, what your channel is all about. So once you have made the video, you have edited, everything is set, you go to your browser, you search for Restream.io, you sign in using the Gmail that you use to create your YouTube account. Yes, so once you have signed in, that is where the process begins. If up to this time you are still confused, this is where this tutorial will guide you. Are you ready? But perhaps you are still confused about everything. Do not worry. I will tell you every detail in the description of this video. I'm going to explain all the step-by-step process of how this works, how you are going to use it, and how best. But for the guidelines, please remember to watch the previous video I made about Restream.io before this very one, because that video will tell you the things to avoid when using Restream.io. So let me go right into the tutorial. And this is how to go about it. After you have made your video, then go to your Chrome browser, tap on your Chrome browser, it will surely open. Okay, when it opens, go to your search and search for Restream.io. Okay, then tap on Restream.io. I've searched already. It's going to open. I told us that Restream.io is a website. So let's see how. When it opens, it's opening. Fine. So once it opens, these are some of the lives that I have gone and all that I visited, blah blah blah. Then tap on new. This place I'm tapping here, where my cursor is pressing, tap on new, tap on new. So once you tap on new, they are telling you create a new stream, Restream Studio, encoder this. So you will tap on Restream Studio, the first one. Tap on Restream Studio, the first one, and give it some time to open. Fine, it has opened. So they are asking me my name. They are asking me my name. I can go live directly. That is why my face is showing here. Okay, and if you see here, there is a speaker. I can turn my speaker on after. If it is like this, it's on. If it is on red, it's off. So that if it is good that you place your speaker on off, because you are not going live directly, you are putting in somebody's video. The video you have already made. Sorry, I told us not to use somebody's video. So you are putting in the video you have already recorded, or you have made, you have edited. I told us the video should not be too long. 2 minutes at most is okay, because shorter videos work most. Then you will come on Enter Studio. Okay, so this is all that. Enter Studio. They are telling me to the name. That's my name. So I've tapped on Enter Studio. They are telling me my mic is muted. Yes, I want it muted. If you look below here, if you look below at the button, you will see that my mic is already muted, and that is exactly what I want. If you look up in the middle here, you will see that if you look in the middle here, you will see that there is desktop here. It will change to very wide. But I told us that Restream.io works best with vertical videos. Yes, so change it to vertical videos. Okay, I'll change it to vertical. You see, this is vertical. This is the vertical I was talking about, just in the middle. The one that looks like desktop is desktop. The one that looks vertical is vertical. So you can also it's fine. Any of these icons you see here are just normal icons. Okay, but just remember that before you go live on YouTube, you must have up to 50 subscribers. You must have. So if you don't have 50 subscribers, make sure it's related to your videos, your niche, and post, so that you get your subscribers before you go live. Live is good. It will give you more subscribers, more watch hours. What else? So this is this. Then as it is on vertical here, I will now tap on add source. Add source. Okay, once I tap on add source, now they are asking me, is it camera or media or this? It's not camera, because I'm not going live directly. It is media. So I'll tap on media. Then immediately I tapped on media. Now it took me down. My video is on. No, this my video is talking. I can make it off. You see, it's off now. The same way you change your speaker, you change your speaker to you turn off your speaker. It's the same way you can turn off your video. Okay, I've turned it on now. Fine. So let's turn add source now. Add source. I hope you are following. If there is any confusion, you can still let me know. So tapping on add source, you will now come to video. So this is the video I made. I used for initially. If I don't have a video, let me just use upload video. Tap on upload video, so that you will upload the video you have edited. Also try to be using new videos for this thing. Try to be using new videos, because see, YouTube don't like reused content. Today you are going live with the same video, tomorrow you are using the same video. No, make fresh video, new video for each time. So I'm looking for a short vertical video. This is just 18 seconds, but you can make your video 2 minutes. Yes, it's video. Once you mark the video you want to use, you will now tap on done. It is now uploading. Do you see how fast it's uploading? It's uploading so sharply. Give it some time, it will upload. Okay, I wanted to be sure that my recording is ongoing. So give it some time to process. It's processing, as you can see here. So you have only 2 or 3 videos to upload, just 2 or 3. If you have met all the 3, you can come and delete some. Like this video, I've used it before. I'll delete it. So I have just 1 video. You understand? So I can even delete this one. The moment you delete them, you can add new ones. So tap on that video that you have uploaded, or the one that you want to go live with. Look at my face here, my beautiful face. Please subscribe. You like my face, don't you? So that is that about this one. You see, I've added the video. I'm doing all those drama there. So you can now tap here. See, tap on this same video as it's playing like this. As the video is playing like this, tap on that 3 dots are there and loop the video. Why are you tapping on loop? When you loop the video, you allow yourself to go live over and over again. Touching anything. You know, when you play your normal video and it stops, you have to tap again and play, replay. But this one, once you loop it, it will keep playing. So tap on loop till you see that it's marked. So once it's marked, you tap on go live below here. Go live below here. Make sure that your own speaker, I already told you, is off. It's very simple. So tell me if you have tried. You see, I tap on those 3 dots and check. My loop now is marked. This is to tell me that if I go live, it will play over and over again. If you want, it will play 100 times. But make sure you don't go more than 8 hours, okay?